Pinkie. I'd like to introduce how to use Pinkie Dark Classic Transfer Paper to you. This transfer paper is suitable for dark-colored fabrics. You can scan the QR code on the instructions to download and print the Pinkie image designed by your designer. Print the Pinkie image you just downloaded. Cut out the pattern with a cutting machine or scissors. Smooth out the garment with an iron before transferring for better results. Don't place your design facing down when transferring. Gently peel off your design from the backing logo paper. You can use an iron, easy press, or heat press to transfer the Pinkie image. Cover it with a Teflon paper to protect the image while transferring. Your Pinkie image transfer is done. Washing instructions. If you have any problems during using Pinkie transfer paper, please feel free to contact us. We will help you solve the problem at first time. Bye-bye. Hope to see you again.